right, the easiest, most sustainable way to get the life you want with long-lasting results is with your diet. And we are going to help you with that in our Fat to Fuel program.
Let's dive into the benefits of a keto diet and how our Fat to Fuel coaching program can help you achieve them. First off, let's talk about weight loss.
Yes.
When you follow a keto diet, your body enters into a state of ketosis, which means it's burning fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. Now, this can lead to significant weight loss, especially within the first few weeks of the program.
Absolutely. But weight loss is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the benefits of this diet. Research has shown that this type of eating can also reduce inflammation in the body, which inflammation can lead to a variety of issues like arthritis, asthma, even cancer. But when you reduce inflammation, you'll be supporting your body's overall health. And that's why I stay in ketosis even after losing the weight that I wanted.
Now, let's talk about our Fat to Fuel coaching program.
Yeah.
We understand that transitioning to a keto diet can be really challenging, especially if you're used to eating a lot of carbs. That's why we provide you with all the tools and support that you need to make that transition as smooth as possible.
Yeah, and so when you sign up for our Fat to Fuel coaching program, we'll start by discussing your health goals and creating a personalized plan that's tailored to your unique needs.
I'll look over your blood work and help you understand where you're at so you can help make goals and plans with me for where you want to be.
Okay, and then from there, I'll meet with you regularly to provide coaching and support and accountability as you navigate through the program. We'll also provide you with meal plans, recipes, and access to our online support community so you're never alone in the journey.
We've created a library of videos for you that talk about everything from metabolic syndrome, or what the heck is that, to gaining self-confidence. This is a 16-week program, so every week you will have videos and accountability check-ins.
Yeah, we also have a beautiful Fat to Fuel workbook that will be a little like your weekly homework. And this, combined with our videos and the coaching, will really propel your learning and help keep you consistent on the keto diet.
You know, one of my favorite benefits of the Fat to Fuel program is that it's for your entire immediate family. Husbands and wives, maybe your teens, everyone can take advantage of the program benefits.
Yeah.
You know, our daughter just chose to join in on the diet, and she's noticed a huge improvement with migraine reduction. Her emotions are better, and she's got a lot more energy.
Yeah. So this program runs April 3rd through the July 28th. So I want you to think about that. This summer, you could be looking and feeling the best you have felt in years. We're so excited to bring you this Fat to Fuel program that is a bonus for the first 10 people that sign up. We have an amazing gift.
Yes, so we're giving away the Simply Keto Cookbook, a colored spiral-bound copy of our Fat to Fuel workbook, a 6,000 milligram vial of my specially formulated CBD oil,
So good.
which is designed to help reduce stress and inflammation by lowering your cortisol levels and blood sugar levels.
Yeah, you'll also get my favorite teas sampler pack and a free Factor meal box with 8 delicious fresh keto meals that come right to your door. So, are you ready to transform your health and well-being with our Fat to Fuel program? Click the link and let's get started on this journey together.
We'll see you soon.